Hello everyone. It is Sunday, September 5th, 2021, and you are currently looking at the beginnings of a whole new operation to replace Jay Willard Gymnasium. This is something that was talked about and proposed by the city and the high school about 5-6 years ago now. So it appears that those plans are coming to fruition. This is where I went to high school. I spent a lot of time in this gym, and they will replace it. This project is projected to last a while, beginning fall 2021, pretty much now. Moving all the big dogs in to get all the work done. I'm not exactly sure what this new gym will look like or how big it will be, but something tells me, based on the layout of this construction zone, it's going to be pretty big. And that's the old Marshall School right across the street over there. So yeah, the plan is to replace this old beast with a brand new one that's up to date. Whether or not they're going to have a swimming pool, I don't know, but it will have basketball courts and all your favorite gym goodies. So from what I understand, they will continue to use this gym until they replace it with the new one. There's the trophy display up front, but it does appear they are still using it. Now, a handful of years ago, I actually filmed the gym, did kind of a walkthrough of it, and just 2 years ago, August of 2019, I was given permission to go in and film the old swimming pool, which was one of my all-time favorite projects so far. So if you want to see those videos, I will post a link to them in the comment section below so that you guys can check them out if you're curious. So yeah, Eureka High School. Hello, rolling can in the wind. I'm going to show you around a little bit more on the side and the front here before we wrap it up. It's possible they might even add some portables too, some more portable classrooms. Kind of like what they did over there. Well, those might just be portable, like construction offices and whatnot. But yeah, a lot of equipment coming in here. And I think, if I remember, this used to be part of a field, and there may have been basketball courts, if I remember correctly. At least there was when I was going to school here. And this here, I think, is another basketball court, one of the basketball courts. You know, just a little tip for you, if you are interested in having a nice little place to work out and run and that sort of thing, Eureka High School will charge $10, only $10, and they will give you a key to the track. So you can actually go down when school is not in session and utilize their track as much as you want, as long as you want. So that's pretty cool. And you can do the same thing with the tennis court here. You can rent or buy a key, which is pretty neat. Well, that about wraps it up. Thanks for joining me, everyone. And yeah, it's gonna take a while for this thing to happen, but it's happening. It is a reality now. Alright, so as I was leaving, I noticed this sign driving by and I had to stop and get some close-up video of it. So this is going to give us a good idea of what it is anticipated to look like. Here's a concept for the new gymnasium. Looks pretty nice, pretty big. Even have this little addition here. To me, this looks almost like it could be a swimming pool. And Eureka High deserves a swimming pool because it's been years since they've had one that worked. So I'm hopeful they'll actually get one. It's going to be done by Thompson Builders, and it looks like the architect for this project, FF&J. Supposed to be about a year's worth of time to complete. So about this time next year. I was right. Gonna take a while, but I think it'll be worth it. All right. Ciao for now, everyone.